So with anger, I only mentioned briefly, with anger, for example, we learned that anger arises when we exaggerate the bad qualities of an object. We're zooming in on the bad qualities of an object, only thinking of them, not seeing any good qualities, and the result is anger. And so we can oppose that very directly by purposefully thinking of all the good qualities. Yeah, this is another way to subdue our anger. Okay? So for instance, if someone is annoying us, maybe someone that we live with or something like this, what we do, when we detect anger is going to arise, we're feeling this unpleasant niggle in our mind, and what we can do is immediately think, well, hang on, what about all the kindness they've shown me over many, many years? What about all the good things they've done for me again and again? All the things that I rely upon them for? Because that completely subdues this exaggeration that anger does, and so anger can't arise. So we can do this. Now, every delusion that we examine has a specific opponent. Okay, so sometimes, like this opponent that I was just talking about for anger, if we apply that to the wrong delusion, it won't work. It'll possibly even make the delusion worse. Okay, so we have to be very clear what's going on in our mind, gradually getting to know our mind over time. And so an example of when it might get worse, if we did that, is, for instance, if we were in a relationship and that relationship ended, okay, and we were feeling very bad as a result of that relationship ending, if we were to deliberately think of all the good things only, it's going to probably make us feel a lot worse. So we have to be very careful and apply the right opponent at the right time, because our problem at that time isn't anger. Our problem is what's called desirous attachment, different delusion. So we're going to look at this particular delusion this evening.